resist the temptation of giving any analysis. I really want to hear more than speak, and I'm not sure I could crystallize what Washington is thinking at this point. Let me just actually thank CRSS for allowing us to co-host this event. USIP is a Washington-based think tank. It's one of the major think tanks in the US, set up by the US Congress back in the 1980s. And as with all other think tanks, we do quite a bit of research, but then there's also a practical element of training, of dialogues, etc., that USIP is involved in. We have a fairly substantial Afghanistan program based both in Washington as well as in Kabul, and also a Pakistan program which includes research on Pakistan. Myself and others at USIP are involved in research. We're also involved in training of conflict resolution facilitators. USIP's real moniker is conflict management and conflict resolution. So wherever in the world the conflict areas exist, USIP does do research and other sort of work on that. We are quite involved in peace education in Pakistan, and also we do fund a lot of civil society organizations to build capacity on different elements of research which have to deal with conflict resolution, peace education, and others. We are also involved in dialogues, community level dialogues between Pakistan and Afghan communities in the border regions, and also policy level dialogues, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan. So in a nutshell, there is quite a bit of vibrance. I'm sure a lot of you have received some of the work we are even doing in Washington. Since I've joined, one of the things we've done quite religiously is to try and get as much of the Pakistani perspective to Washington and much of the US perspective to Islamabad, because if this is a relationship that we keep on saying we value, then both sides should at least hear what the other has to say. And this partnership with CRSS is really taking place in that realm. And when I talked to Imtiaz, the hope was to at least give a platform where we can discuss issues which are important both to Pakistan and the US. Whether we like things that are said or not doesn't matter, but as much as we can hear each other, I think it's critical. And so Imtiaz, once again, thank you. I think this is the third event we're doing, and we'll keep on doing more. So thanks again, and over to you.